Hi everyone. Today, let's explore the different types of unit measurements available in Adonai. At the top right corner of the interface, you'll find the Preferences option. Click on it, and under Units, you'll see 6 different types of measurement units. Let's start with millimeters. Once selected, switch to 2D mode and click on a wall. You'll notice that the measurements are displayed in millimeters. To change the unit, go back to Preferences, select Meters, and you'll see that the measurements now appear in meters. Next, let's switch to fractional inches. In Preferences, select Fractional Inches, and you'll see different precision options. When I choose 1:1, the dimensions are displayed in inches. If I change it to half, the measurements update accordingly, reflecting the chosen precision. You can experiment with other precisions to see the differences in 2D mode. Now, let's try decimal inches. Selecting this unit also provides different precision options. Based on your selection, the design interface updates accordingly to display the measurements in decimal inches. Moving on to feet and fractional inches, this unit also includes multiple precision options. Choose one, and you'll see the dimensions represented in feet and inches. Finally, we have feet and decimal inches. Again, different precision levels are available. Select one and observe how the measurements change in 2D mode. This is how you can switch between different unit measurements in Adonai. Explore the options and choose the one that best suits your design requirements.